to make my cap. My name is Glenn Campbell. I'm the founder of this crazy spot here. And if you don't know my background, I was in the headwear business for a long time with lids. So came back to Cape back in 07 and got out of the hat business in 19. And then I guess I missed it enough to get back in the hat business. Corey, who was right here, Corey Sissel, who lives out of Dalhousie. He's with Cape America, and I took a trip up there about a year and a half ago. Saw what they did in this great state of Missouri, and if you've never been up there, that's a trip you should take because they do an incredible business. But they had about 600 embroidery machines that needed more work, and I said, well, I tell you what, if we build a consumer-facing website, I'd love for you guys to be the back end, and so that's who does all the embroidery for us, is Cape America. So Corey Sissel. Beth is, I call her the queen right here, so she runs the place. We've got Bridget, Trace, all three are graphic designers. So really, I do nothing other than I'm here causing havoc when I can, trying to sell a few hats. But these three truly, anything that comes in on the internet, anybody that walks in the door, any phone calls they take, they do the art, they do the customer service, and get it back to you. And then all the product then comes to Cape America, then ships out from there, or gets delivered down here. People come pick it up. So it's been great. We started a little over a year ago and built the website. Had some issues getting that done, but got it done and opened, I think, April 8th, which is my birthday. So I don't know why we waited that long, but we had actually hoped to open, I think, right before Christmas of last year was sort of the plan. But, you know, as most businesses do, things got backed up. And then we're going to blame it on Jeff Maurer and Boulder for being late building this place out. But no, they did a great job. But really, we weren't going to do a consumer-facing store. We just needed a place for graphic designers, and it was going to be a web-based business. But being in the retail business like I was, I thought, you know what, if we can do a storefront here in town, we may draw some business. And it truly is amazing how many people walk through here and either they see the big sign out front or they've seen us somewhere and stop in. So we appreciate you guys being here. If there are any questions anybody has, I'm happy to answer them. Anything you buy today is 25% off in here. I know a lot of SEMO folks here, so we're doing that today. We've got some food from next door at Seis Amigos. We support our neighbors next door, so please, before you go, grab some. We got some waters back here. I'll buy you a margarita next door or beer, whatever. But anyway, we appreciate y'all coming, and we're happy to be part of Cape. I have not had a business in Cape. I lied. We had a lid store back in the day when the mall was a thriving mall, but I think it closed in the early 2000s. So since then, I've been storeless in Cape Girardeau, and now we're back. So anything else? Any questions? Crew, anything you want to say? Yeah, they do all the way. Corey?
Happy to be here.
Yeah. Corey does so I said Corey lives in Dalhousie. He drives back and forth every day up to Cape America in Fredericktown, so he's sort of our pack mule bringing.
I've delivered a lot of it.
He is. No question. Yeah, we love it.
Haven't sent an invoice for that yet.
Yeah. I'm not sure I want to see that. So, but that's it. So you guys want to cut a ribbon?
Yeah, let's cut a ribbon. Then I'll count you down. 3, 2, 1.